How to perform off-vehicle DCDC detection with the E2S or E2 Pro. First step is to power the VCI. VCI automatically connects to E2 Pro or E2S with a beep when powered on. Select component test. DCDC detection, then vehicle brand. Select by DCDC model code. Use upper right wiring guide to complete jumper cables connection. To check if the DCDC is outputting voltage, use a multimeter.
One test laid on the chassis and the other on the DCDC. Make sure there is a voltage value.
Connect the other end of the jumper cable according to the wiring guide. Finally, let OBD interconnect. Enter the drive interface. Once there, you'll see that the high voltage must be above 351 volt. Turn on the power switch and adjust the voltage to exceed 351 volt. Then click Startup. If the multimeter voltage increases, it indicates that the DCDC is functioning normally.